So this is a song, and I guess it's called Summer Canyon. I didn't even
Working
know.
title.
Yeah, working title. I didn't even know that. So it's a song that I've heard Jeff playing for, I don't know, 6 months, probably. How long's it been?
Sounds fun, right?
Yeah, and I love it. It's one of my favorite ones, but I haven't learned it at all yet. So we're just gonna give it a try and play around with it and see how it feels.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing I wanted to explain about this process is that Jeff is a man's voice and I have a woman's voice.
True.
So we have different octaves. So that's a good keyword, octaves, that we sing at, and different places where our voices land naturally that feels comfortable in different ranges. So start to play it a little bit. And I know it just from hearing him. So if I try to sing it where Jeff sings it, this is what it sounds like for my voice, which is not a great place. In the canyon, in the mountains, in the summer rain coming down. So that's me singing in there. It's not terrible, but it's not maybe comfortable. Now you sing it at that same spot.
In the canyon, in the mountains, in the summer rain coming down.
So now that's us singing another kind of a good word to know in unison. We're singing the same place with the same note in unison. Now we're gonna play around and see where I would want to sing it or what I might add as a harmony. Sing a little bit more.
It's a trickle, it's a deluge, it's amazing life all around. All the frogs are making babies, all the streams are swollen with snow.
Now, something I just did was it jumped up a whole octave, so we're still singing
that flow.
the same note, but I'm singing it an octave up. There's a lot of awesome and interesting stuff about music. So I just listened to Jeff sing me the whole song, and it made my eyes tear up because it's such a beautiful song. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited for you to hear it and to share it with you. And I wanted to ask you, Jeff, could you tell me where you wrote this song? Because it feels really like it must be rooted to a specific place or a moment.
I'm trying to remember. I do remember that even though it's set in like, I'm picturing what the canyons look like in Colorado in the late spring, early summer, how it's still kind of wintry when you go up high, and everything was kind of coming to life in the song. But I remember when I wrote it, it was in the heart of a snowstorm. Yeah, I wasn't outdoors, but I remember looking out the window and was like, oh, this is the snow that is going to be melting in the song. But it was not written in a beautiful summer canyon in Colorado.
That's an awesome tidbit. I like that. All right, let's keep working.
Okay. All right, so we worked through it, and there's a word in this song that we both pronounce differently.
Okay, you say it how you say it first.
Deluge.
Deluge.
All right, we're about...
Deluge. Deluge.
Never heard deluge. We're about to hear...
Deluge?
Deluge. We're about to hear what Google has to say.
Deluge.
Yes!
Deluge.
Deluge.
All right, I've been reading that wrong in my head for a very long time. Definition, a severe flood. Deluge. Deluge. Everyone.
All right, try that last line of the verse.
Plum. Which one?
Plump sugar.
Plump sugar sweets.
Plump sugar sweets. Again. Plump sugar sweets. One more. Plump sugar sweets. That works.
Oh, hey there. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna sing you the version of this song that we're currently working with, and we've been working on this for about, I think, like 2 hours.
Yeah, hour and a half, something like that.
Just to give you a perspective of how long it takes for us to get to know a song.
We've changed the key after singing it through just by one step. So I moved my capo up 2 frets on the guitar. And we're just gonna give it a try for the first time all the way through. In the canyon,
In the mountains,
in the summer rain coming down, it's a trickle.
it's a deluge.
It's amazing life all around. All the frogs
Am I
are
singing that right? I feel like I'm missing that line. Rain coming down,
rain coming down.
rain coming down.
In the canyon,
In the mountains,
in the summer rain coming down. It's a trickle.
it's a deluge.
It's amazing life all around. All the frogs are,
Making babies,
all the streams are swollen with snow. Smell the xylem,
feel the phloem.
all the life contained in that flow. The rain slows it get low so I can practically hear the roots sinking. I feel the squish of the soil and the sweat on my lip. And I'm thinking that the very same water I've been drinking has been up in the clouds, out through the leaves to my bloodstream. It's all linking together for me. Let's get those lyrics. Yeah, at the bottom.
What do you want to see? Those
Yeah.
little grasses. Don't know that one.
Little grasses
Poke their heads up.
and satisfied with what they are seeing. Keep on growing.
Don't need mowing. You are.
You are.
You are.
You are. You are.
Meow. It's a week later. Jeff and Paige have been practicing the song at home while the kids are sleeping. Paige also has been practicing off of a recording to learn the words and the new harmonies. Let's check in and see where they are in the process. Meow. Guitar cat. Meow.
I need this.
Well, Mr. Whiskers, should we give this a try?
Talking to me?
Mr. Whiskers.
Mr. Whiskers.
Here's verse 1 of Summer Canyon from our new album, Hey Alice.
In the canyon,
In the mountains,
in the summer rain coming down. It's a trickle.
it's a deluge.
It's amazing life all around. All the frogs are,
Making babies,
all the streams are swollen with snow. Smell the xylem,
feel the phloem.
all the life contained in that flow. The rain slows I get low so I can practically hear the roots sinking. I feel the squish of the soil and the sweat on my lip. And I'm thinking that the very same water I've been drinking thinking has been up in the clouds, out through the leaves to my bloodstream. It's all linking together for me. I see, yeah, nature connects us, yeah, nature corrects us, yeah, nature directs us, yeah, nature respects us. I'll do the same in return just by sitting for a moment right here, right here. I'm here, rooted in the canyon right here, right here.